Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not showing in your device or in your settings. Quick one, guys. Let's head over to our settings. Once you head over to your settings, obviously if you can't see your fingerprint option, best thing is to do is just come to system itself, then scroll down and then make sure you have the developer options. If you don't have them, come to the phone itself, then come over here and then click on the device details and then make sure you're logged in too. So if you're logged in too, guys, just come over here and then tap on the developer options, and then once you tap on the developer options, make sure that the user developer options is turned on. Once it's turned on, come to your settings. In your settings, you can then go ahead and search for fingerprint. You can see when you search for fingerprint, it will come through very well. Tap on it and then go ahead and set up your fingerprint. Thanks for watching.